Right everyone, today we're going to be replacing that bush there. So it's got a lot of movement in it. So when I open it, I'll show you where the bush is actually broken from. Obviously there's no light in here, so when I open it, I'll show you how I'm going to change it and what I'm going to fit inside it as well. Well, see that arm? I'll show you the movement that it's got in it there. 1 minute. I'll show you about the fore lighting. That movement. Every time I full lock the wheel, it starts skipping at the front. Every time you press the brake, you feel like a bit of a judder when you press the brake, and that's what I'm gonna try to fix today with some PowerFlex bushes. Black ones, 2 sleeves, and a caster adjustment. So we'll see how we get on with that shortly. So the arm is out, as you can see there, over there, the rubber's ripped, separated, and on the XDRIVE I had to remove the drive shaft a little bit, well, get it out of the way, a bit of a tight squeeze, but no, I can't even see anything there. There we go. So loosen that with the H17 socket, hold it back, 21mm there at the bottom, and that was an 18mm socket. So once I've got the bush pressed out, I'll show you the new one. Let's do this again. So to get out, there's a bit of a pig. I have to push out the middle bit first, the rubber part, and then the outer shell comes out fairly easy. I just use the air chisel, got that out. So I'm going to give it a clean up all the edges and all the bit of corrosion here, and then I'm going to press the new ones in. So hopefully it shouldn't take too long. Right, so got the bush pressed in, got the plates pressed in as well. Getting that bush in was an absolute pain in the arse. I actually thought the bush was going to get ruined at one point, but I thought, you know what, just push it and just go with it. Whatever happens, but it went in. So when you press these in, the sleeves, put fairy liquid on the inside of it before you press the bush in, and then go to the press and then just put the bush on an angle like this. 1 second. On an angle like that, and then just push it from here, push it from there in on an angle, and it will go in eventually. So now what I've got to do is get this in, but that goes there first, and then the arm goes in, sorry, then the pin goes in. That's to adjust the caster angle as well. So yeah, this is just passenger side at the minute, so hopefully the other side doesn't take me too long. Be back in a bit. Right, so we've got that in. We'll tighten that 21mm there. I don't know if you can see it. I'll tighten that in a minute. I'm going to leave this loose for now. Obviously, because when I bring it down, I'll have to get it on the alignment machine and try and sort the caster angle out. Hopefully I don't fuck it up, basically. So yeah, straightforward, easy job. Obviously, if it's the first time you're doing it, it's a bit nerve-wracking because you don't know if you're doing it the right way. I hope I've done it the right way anyway, but if not, I'm sure someone will let me know. But should be all good to go. Right, so this side, you can't even really see it. Wait a second. This side didn't take me too long, probably about 15-20 minutes, because I knew what I needed, I knew what I had to do. So that's in over there, 21mm over there. So I had to loosen the shaft, just loosen the shaft, lift it up with the bar from the bottom here, and this arm will come out. It's a bit tight, so you have to open that. What you could try is maybe jack this up from here and see if you get a bit of clearance, but it's just easy just to open it. It's not going to do no harm anyway. And then the outer shell, and then the actual rubber. So hopefully I won't get no more skipping when I'm doing full locks, or any judder when I'm braking. So I'm going to close it all up now. Try and see what I can do with the caster adjustment, and then we'll go from there. Hopefully it's not going to be too difficult. But it looks, this car's doing a lot of motorway miles, so it's got a bit of water everywhere, a bit of light corrosion, but overall the car's in good nick. So what I'll do is I'll get the torque specs for that, and I'll write them down somewhere for you if anyone ever needs them. But yeah, apart from that, we should be good to go.